How to create a Mailchimp RSVP button. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an RSVP button into the Mailchimp campaign. The process is very easy, but we need an external or third-party apps like Google Forms or Jotforms to create a RSVP from them, and then we are going to integrate it into a button. So basically, what are we going to do is to create an email, and this is the beginning of the campaign. So I'm going to click on create email, and then you can integrate this email into the automations and etc. So I'm going to select here a basic layout, or you can go ahead and do from scratch or with chosen, let's say here presets. I'm going to click on apply any of these. So as you can see here, we have the email content. I'm going to let this button, and now we are going to modify the email. So we can go ahead and add some headings, for example, and we can add whatever we want. You can design the email well. And then what are we going to do is to head over the button, and that button I'm going to try and put it in the middle. So I'm going to align to the center, and then we are going simply to type a name on it. For example, here, since it is going to be an RSVP, that is going to be a registration, we are going to put here register now. Now, what are we going to do is to head over Google Forms or Jotform. You're going to sign in into an account within these two or one of the two platforms. Then you are going to select the type of form as RSVP. I'm going to select here from Google Form. Then we are going to create one. So basically, I'm going to see this. Here we have the questionnaire of the RSVP. So you're going to have it as this. And then you're going to set it up. So here, you can go ahead and add or put the registration, a question for registration, for example, by putting here email. I'm going to put email, and then we are going to put it as required. So I'm going to click on publish. I'm going to click on publish also. Then we are going to get the link. Let's get the link here. I'm going to put that link or copy as it is. Either it is going to be from Google Form or this one. And then we are going to put the link to web. We are going to select web. Then we are going basically here to paste that right there, let's say link. Now, whenever you are going or someone is going to click on this, it is going to take them to this specific RSVP, as you can see. Now, how we can add this button if we do not see it? Simple. You are going to head over the add or blocks from here. You're going to see button here at the top. You're going just to put it like that. Boom. Here we have it. Click on it and you are going to align it, put the shape of it, size, the borders, and the color of it, and etc. And then for the link, it is going to be the first thing on the design. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.